ELISHA CARLISLE here and welcome back to my channel! For today's video, I am going to show you what's on my iPhone. Just recently, inilabas ng Apple ang update which is iOS 14 and syempre, ako gusto kong makiuso dahil inggitera ako. Nag-iOS 14 din ako. So, ngayon ipapakita ko na sa inyo kung ano yung meron sa iPhone ko and kung ano ba talaga ang itsura ng iOS 14 in case interested kang mag-update. So, if you're interested to know on what's on my iPhone, then just keep on watching. This is my phone. I have an iPhone 11 Pro Max. And actually, hindi na to bago sa akin. Like, last year pa to. I think magwa 1 year na siya this October. Pero ngayon ko lang talaga siya ipapakita sa inyo kung ano ba ang laman ng iPhone ko. So, let's see what's on my iPhone. Okay, so usog lang ako ng konti para dito ko ilalagay yung screen record. So, first is my lock screen, which is yan. So, yan yung lock screen ko. And of course, it's just my class schedule and nothing special, very studious ko, no? Kasi hindi ko talaga maalala ang schedule ko. So, kailangan nasa lock screen talaga siya para ma-remind ako na may klase ako. And, Face ID to open. Pa-cute-cute lang konti. So, ayan na. Ito na ang aking iPhone. What's inside it? So, ito yung main change ata na meron ng iOS 14, which is yung home screen nyo, na pwede nyo nalagyan ng widgets and you can arrange it in anything you like, anything you prefer. So, ito yung naisipan kong icons. Kung mapapansin nyo na hindi ko talaga nilagay kung, for example, ito, Instagram. So, hindi ko talaga nilagay yung logo ng Instagram. Kasi I find it cute na hindi mo good malaman kung ano ba talagang app yan. Like, ako lang mismo nakaalam. Itong mga photos na to ay medyo related siya sa app, pero ako lang yung nakakaalam. For you guys or for others, kasi makikita na lang na parang for aesthetic reasons lang. But for me, may meaning talaga behind kung bakit ito na picture yung pinili ko sa bawat app. Pero, hindi nyo na kailangan i-explain. So, pag swipe mo to the right, yan. So, makikita nyo dito, yung hindi ko na siya change kasi talagang napaka-time consuming niya, guys. As in, like, ay, ako kasi yung type of person na meticulous. Kasi gusto ko talaga na I will take my time in doing the things that I want. Parang, kung gagawin ko na lang man to, gusto ko, maganda yung outcome. Ganun. So, ito, hindi ko na talaga kayang gawin. Hindi ko na change kasi ito lang din man yung mga default apps ng Apple. Kung napapansin nyo, naka-alphabetical order yung mga apps ko. I find that it's easier to search for the apps that I want to open kapag naka-alphabetical order siya. So, pag sabi kong App Store, letter A. So, ito, App Store. Ganun. So, I have my App Store, calculator, calendar, camera, clock, contacts, letter C. Letter F, FaceTime, Find My iPhone. Let's proceed to letter H, Health. And then Maps, which is letter M. And Mail, which is also letter N. Photos is nandito para easy access lang siya. So, ang pinaka-ginagamit ko lang talaga dito sa default apps ng Apple ay itong calculator, camera, photos, and yun lang. Yun lang talaga yung ginagamit ko. I always use calculator. Especially kapag katulad ko kayo na hindi magaling sa math. Calculator is our best friend. Kailangan ko ng calculator kahit 120 plus 120 lang yan, guys. Kayang-kaya ko yan i-calculator. Next naman is ang camera, of course. Isa sa pinaka-nagustuhan ko sa iPhone 11 Pro Max is yung camera niya. Because pwede siya i-0.5. Ito yung normal niya na cam. And ito yung zoom cam, which is yung 2 times the zoom level niya. Ang front cam naman, ayan. Medyo zoom to, no? Pero pwede mo siyang click ganyan para medyo malayo. Ang ganda ng camera niya. And kapag same sa akin na hindi masyadong gumagamit ng camera kapag nagba-vlog, very perfect ito because ang video niya pwedeng HD, ayan, or 4K. Usually 4K talaga yung ginagamit ko pang video. Kaso lang, napakahirap niyang i-transfer kasi napakalaki na storage niya. Lilito na ako kung dito ako or dyan. Of course, we have slow-mo and then time-lapse. And of course, the portrait mode, which I really, really love. Napakaganda niya for photo shoots. Ayan, may iba-ibang kinds of light. Natural, studio, so contour, and so on and so forth. Last is the panorama. Ayan, ganyan lang siya. Ganyan. Eh, makikita nyo ang kalat ng kwarto. Let's proceed to my photos, of course. So, I have 7,060 photos and videos. Yun yung nasa camera roll ko. Kasi napaka-sentimental kong person and I love collecting photos and videos. So, makikita nyo to sa vlog ko. Pumunta kami sa falls. Nakalimutan ko yung name ng falls, pero ipapakita ko to sa vlog ko na pumunta kami dito. So, ayan. And more photos. So, napakadami kong photos. So, ito na yung mga icons na ginamit ko para dun sa aking home screen. Ito yung mga favorite photos ko. Ayan. Of course, my glam set video. More photos. Ito yung birthday ko. Dito lang kasi ako nag-birthday sa bahay ko sa quarantine, of course. And more food photos. Food. And ayan. Dancerous. Ganda ka, girl.
I have 347 videos, 928 selfies, 2,759 live photos, and 1,199, and so on.
Reminders. Wala naman na taon. Yung siya ginagamit. Ang ginagamit ko for reminder is ang alarm ko. Kasi ito yung ginagamit ko para ma-remind ako kasi talagang And then, let's proceed now to my app. Aside from here, kung mag-swipe mo pa right, nandito pa rin yung mga apps na hindi ko na-change. Naka-folder lang siya para ma-fix. And kung makikita nyo dito, itong steps. Tingnan nyo, 365 lang. So, halatang hindi ako gumagalaw dito sa bahay. Pero nilagay ko yan dyan as a motivation na kailangan gumalaw-galaw din ako sis pag may time. Ayan siya, and naglagay lang din ako ng quote dito, which nakalagay na life is either a daring adventure or nothing. So ayan, naka-album na siya, and as you can see, naka-alphabetical order din siya. 𝑓,G,I,M,P,S,T,T,Y. So ayan, naka-alphabetical order yan lahat guys. Ayan. Ayan. So, isa-isahin natin sila ngayon. Swipe lang tayo to the left. Para ito yung app library, which is yung bago sa iOS 14. So, first is makikita yung suggested apps. Yun yung bago lang natin inopen. And ito yung mga recently added na mga apps. So, itong color widgets, ito yung ginamit ko para dun sa widget ko na time and date and my battery percentage. Madami pang iba dito guys. And most YouTubers na nagto-talk about iOS 14 ay ito talaga yung app na ginagamit nila. So, aside from that, ito yung shortcuts. Dito ko iniisa-isa talaga as in grabe, like ilang oras ang nilaan ko para dun sa home screen ko. Just watch some YouTube videos from other YouTubers kung paano nila yung ginawa kasi I myself cannot explain it clearly kasi nahirapan din ako. Preview, this is what I use. Kapag nag-plan ako ng gusto kong i-post sa aking Instagram, ito na din yung preview ng Instagram ko guys. And then I have share it, which is bago ko lang siya din-download kaya nandito siya sa recently added. 𝑊idgetsmith, so ito din yung ginamit ko din for the widget sa home screen ko. So, ito yung quote na nakita nyo kanina. Ito yung events na wala naman akong ka-event sa buhay. So, again, ito yung motivation na kung ilang steps ang nagawa ko ngayon na day. And then, ito yung pinakita kong quote. If you're planning to use iOS 14, use 𝑊idgetsmith para ma-customize nyo ang inyong phone. So, first are my socials. First is Discord. So, because recently, my friends and I are into gaming. Ito yung ginawa naming bonding this quarantine. Ang nilalaro namin is Among Us, COD Mobile, Valorant, ganun. Mga easy games lang kasi hindi naman talaga kami gamers. And then, of course, Facebook. I love Facebook so much and I use this every day because of the memes. Look at my profile. Puros memes, puros shared photos. Ay, today is Happy World Mental Health Day, guys. So, this is a reminder that you should love yourself and loving yourself is not selfish. This day is a reminder that may karamay ka, you are loved, and that mental health matters. So, yan. Oh, kalame! Glam Vision review. Check it out. Ang dami-dami kong sinishare na kahit ano. I don't use FaceTime because I use either Discord or Messenger. And then, Instagram, my favorite app. Look at my feed. I don't know if maganda ba yung feed ko, pero more on, ano kasi siya, like outdoors. And ngayon, na quarantine, nahihirapan ako kung ano yung i-upload ko sa aking Instagram kasi hindi naman tayo masyadong lumalabas, diba? So, puros halos throwback lang yung mga pinopost ko recently. So, So, go follow me on Instagram, guys. I post my Instagram stories almost every day. Next is my messages. I have 91 unread messages because I rarely open my messages. And of course, Messenger. Wala akong masyadong ka-chat aside sa friends and family and boyfriend ko, of course. Mga classmates ko, ganun lang. Phone, here are my favorites. Last na dito sa social album is the Twitter. Hindi ako masyadong active sa Twitter and hindi din masyado ako nag-tweet. Hindi daw active pero one day ago nag-tweet. Pero hindi ako masyadong active sa Twitter, guys. Mas active ako sa Instagram compared to Twitter. But if you want to follow me, you can follow me on Twitter if you want. Pero again, hindi ako masyadong active dito na app. Parang ginagamit ko lang to kapag may gusto kong i-rant or something. Kasi, di ba ganito naman talaga yung purpose ng Twitter dati. Kung may gusto kong i-rant, i-tweet mo lang. Walang mag-judge sa'yo, di ba? So, ngayon, iba na yung Twitter, no? It's a scary place for me. Let's go on into creativity. I use Canva stories for my IG stories. Madaming templates dito na gusto nyong gamitin depending on your liking. So, yun yung usually ginagamit ko. DJI for my Osmo, my gimbal. So, may ganito ako for vlogging. So, ito yung ginagamit kong app. And then, eraser para kung may gusto akong erase sa background color, ayan, erase siya.
Ganyan.
So, ginagamit ko to para sa thumbnail. Instax share because I have an Instax printer and I have a business na nag-print ako ng Instax photo. So, if you want to check that out, here's my Instagram account for that. So, phone to. Ito din yung ginagamit ko for thumbnail. Of course, PixArt is one of my favorite editing app. I always use PixArt. And then, Planoly is the same with Preview. So, palipat-lipat lang ako. But I think I like Preview more kasi itong Planoly, limited lang yung post na pwede mong ilagay. So, which in the Preview kasi wala siyang limit. I think I'm gonna delete this app. Prequel, I don't use it anymore. Pero kung ang Prequel is yung mag-edit ka ng mga retro vibes, photos. Snow, I use it often kasi napakaganda ng filters nila. I use Snow for my IG stories. For example, ito. And this is my favorite filter. Mga retro filters nila. Ito yung go-to editing app ko for IG stories. And of course, for videos. Ang dami niyang pwedeng gawin for videos. Like this one. Very, very cute. So, I love Snow so much. You should check this out. Then, story art is like Canva stories. Like, I use this also for my IG stories. So, depende na lang sa mood ko and depende sa style na gusto ko. Pero, I use Canva stories more than story art. This is TubeBuddy because this is an app na mag-help sa inyo if you're just starting sa YouTube. It will help you guys to check your subs, your views, and all. Oh my gosh! Hanggang 1,000 views na ang Shopee Orca! Guys, ngayon ko lang nakita. Oh my gosh, this is my first 1,000 views, guys. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy! Ngayon ko lang siya nakita aking pag-open ko. Thank you so much, guys, for watching, no? Thank you talaga. I'm so happy, guys. Anyway, so ito yung TubeBuddy. Makikita niya kung ilan yung views nyo, ilan yung dumagdag. So, currently, I have 566 subscribers. So, if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel and join my fan, ELISHA. Love lang tayo dito. Happy all the time. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. Move on. So, next is VLLO and I love this for editing. I use this for editing my GLAMvision skincare video. Ang gusto ko dito is napakadami niyang stickers na pwede nyo gamitin.
Ayan, napaka-cute niya. Yan. Kasi napakadami.
Pero hindi ako nagbayad. Ito lang yung free version. Kaya kung gusto nyo gamitin talaga to and gusto nyo magbayad kasi napakadami pang pwede. And even sa free version lang, what more kapag magbabayad kayo. Pero ako kasi, hindi ako nagbayad. Of course, VSCO, oh my gosh, VSCO, Visco, whatever is the pronunciation, I really love this app kasi pwede mo siyang i-copy lang, like copy, then paste mo yung edits, ganun, para same lang siya and it helps you a lot in fixing your feed. Pwede mong i-same ang kanilang filters with just 2 clicks and of course, my IG feed. Dito ako nag-edit talaga for my IG feed sa VSCO. So, after VSCO is my YT studio, which is a YouTube studio, and mas specific ito because of the analytics. And so, next naman is, let's go on to productivity. Napakarami, guys. So, Business Suite is the new name for Facebook page. So, ito yung Facebook page namin, which is Value Meet Products.
Calendar, contacts, documents.
Google Drive, of course, very important for online class. Dropbox. Parang Google Drive lang din siya, pero more on photos ang nilagay ko dito.
And then files, GCash.
Gmail, very, very important. Mail, which I don't use because I use Gmail often. Google Meet. So, kailangan din to for online class. If in case lang na mawala ng internet connection, at least meron sa phone ko para magamit ko ang aking LTE, diba?
And then notebook. And of course, notes, PS bank, reminders, share it, shortcuts, spending.
So you can keep track on your expenses and saving. Then another bank is for Union Bank. And Zoom, of course, for online class. Proceed to entertainment. So of course, I have YouTube, my love. Hi, YouTube. Ang pinapanood ko recently ay puros Blackpink. So, recently, I fell in love with Blackpink. Kinikilala ko sila paunti-unti because I love their music and I love them. I love the four of them. So, hindi ako makapili kung sino yung favorite ko. Netflix, of course. I really, really love Netflix, and who doesn't? And Spotify, look what I've listened to. It's the new album of Lainey, Mama's Boy. So you should guys check that out. I love Lainey so much. And kahit naka-Spotify Premium ako, ay iisang kanta or iisang banda lang yung pinaparinggan ko. It's either Blackpink or Lainey. So my favorite song from Mama's Boy is this. If this is the last time, you should listen to it. I love you, Lainey. Next is TikTok, of course, for entertainment, for utilities.
I don't use App Store so much. I use calculator, clock for alarms, and color widgets. I mentioned that Kudis.
Find my iPhone. I hope I never use that.
Google, of course, my best friend. So I have my Smart because my career is Smart. Then Safari app.
Sorry, but I prefer Google than Safari. So
Settings, of course, Amos and wallet, which wallet I don't use also.
and of course, shopping and food. Kita nyo yung 10-10 na yan. Today is 10-10 and today is damage day. Shopee, Lazada, Foodpanda, and Zalora. Those are the apps that I use for online shopping. Kapag mag-download pa ako ng iba pa, guys, parang delikado na yun. So, others is Pinterest. I don't know bakit nasa others siya. Hindi ba siya considered as socials? Another favorite app of mine, and as you can see, I have a lot of pins already for inspiration. Games, as you can see, isa lang yung game ko. It's a mind game actually. It has word puzzle, sudoku, mga ganyan na games siya. So, pang ano siya na game, no? Pang matalino. Pero hindi ako matalino. I recently deleted my COD Mobile and my Among Us. As much as I want to download a lot of games, guys, my iPhone won't let me because of the storage. So for education, this app is called Class App. So this is my schedule and this is also my lock screen. By the way, if you were curious, my course is Bachelor of Science in Psychology. So I'm currently a third-year student and pagod. So next is information reading. I think this is translate and weather. The weather in Davao City is 29 degrees. So health and fitness, this is Flow. It's just an app that will help me keep track of my period. Girls, ako lang ba or kayo rin na nakakalimutan nyo always kung kailan kayo nag-start, kailan kayo nag-end, kailan yung susunod nyo. Kasi ganoon ako, kaya kailangan ko tong app na to. So health, of course, hindi ko ginagamit. I don't exercise. And then for travel, last but not the least is Grab. I use this Grab for Grab food lang din. And then maps, I use Google Maps more than Apple. So ito yung app library, guys. Yan, if you scroll down, nandiyan lahat naka-alphabetical order, which I really love. Apple, thank you so much. And if you swipe here, ito yung mga widgets. Ay, ngayon ko lang to nakita. Hindi ko pa siya naayos, pero okay na siya. Parang wala na akong gustong i-change dito. So, I think that is it. Thank you so much. Napakatagal nun i-film. Thank you so much if you're still watching until now. And that's what's on my iPhone and for the iOS 14. And if you like it, then go ahead, update your phones right now.
And don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the post notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I post a new video.
And that is it. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all. Mwah.